Hey guys, this is Judy from judinkanailart. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my weekly stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. This week's stamping theme is characters, and I decided to do kind of like a combination of stamping and some cute water decals. I probably do have some character stamping plates, but I kind of felt like that I wanted to do something a little different than what I typically do with these stamping themes through our Facebook group. And I received this beautiful nail polish from Sassy Sauce Polish, which will be available this weekend, and it just called me to do a manicure with Ariel. So I do hope you will like what I created at the end, and I really like this theme, so make sure that you check out everybody's videos after you are done watching mine. I will make sure that I link everything for you in the description box, and of course all the pictures will be at the end of the video. If you do like these weekly stamping nail art tutorials from me, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here or you are coming from the other channels who are participating in this collab, then welcome, and I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button before you leave. Okay, so I believe that's it for my intro. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. I believe that's it. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.